Quick, healthy snacking made simple.
Life can get busy. Healthy snacking doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. Choosing the right snacks helps support your energy levels, focus, and overall wellness. Here are 10 nutritious snacks you can prepare in under 5 minutes. Perfect for satisfying hunger and boosting your health, no matter how packed your schedule.
Fresh fruit with nut butter.
Slice an apple or banana and spread it with peanut or almond butter. This combination offers fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats for lasting energy. It's filling, naturally sweet, and provides a balance of carbohydrates and protein, making it ideal for a quick, midday pick-me-up.
Greek yogurt and berries.
Spoon a serving of plain Greek yogurt into a bowl and top with fresh or frozen berries. This snack is rich in protein, calcium, and antioxidants. The berries add natural sweetness along with extra fiber, while Greek yogurt supports muscle health and satiety.
Hummus and veggie sticks.
Grab pre-cut veggies like carrots, celery, or bell peppers and pair them with a few tablespoons of hummus. This snack is packed with fiber, vitamins, and plant-based protein. Hummus adds flavor and healthy fats while making vegetables more satisfying.
Cottage cheese and pineapple.
Combine low-fat cottage cheese with pineapple chunks for a refreshing, protein-rich snack. Cottage cheese helps keep you full, while pineapple provides a touch of sweetness and vitamin C. This duo creates a tasty balance of creamy and juicy flavors in just minutes.
Whole grain crackers with avocado.
Top a handful of whole grain crackers with mashed avocado. Add a sprinkle of salt, pepper, or chili flakes for extra taste. Avocado delivers heart-healthy fats and fiber, and the crackers offer complex carbohydrates, making this a balanced, energizing snack.
Hard-boiled eggs and cherry tomatoes.
Peel a hard-boiled egg and pair it with a handful of cherry tomatoes. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and nutrients like vitamin B12 and choline, while tomatoes provide antioxidants and hydration. This quick snack supports muscle health and keeps you feeling satisfied.
Trail mix.
Create your own trail mix by combining unsalted nuts, seeds, and a small handful of dried fruit. This snack is portable, satisfying, and packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Be mindful of serving size to keep it nutritious without excess sugar or calories.
Rice cakes with almond butter.
Spread almond butter over plain rice cakes for a crunchy, satisfying snack. Almond butter is a good source of protein and healthy fats, while rice cakes provide a low-calorie, gluten-free base. For extra flavor, add a sprinkle of cinnamon or slices of banana.
Edamame.
Edamame, steamed or microwaved frozen soybeans in the pod, are ready in just minutes. Sprinkle lightly with sea salt for a nutritious, high-protein snack that's fun to eat. Edamame is rich in plant protein, fiber, and important vitamins and minerals.
Sliced cucumber with tuna.
Top cucumber rounds with drained canned tuna and a little pepper. This snack delivers lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids with minimal prep. The cucumber adds crunch and hydration, making this light but satisfying option easy to enjoy any time of day.
Final thoughts. Snack smart, feel great.
With these 10 quick, nutritious options, you can fuel your body without slowing down your day. Healthy snacking doesn't require hours in the kitchen. Planning a few simple ingredients in advance makes it easy to make smart choices and support your well-being no matter how busy life gets.